The OnePlus 5 is a great smartphone, and it's one of my favorite phones of the year. But it's far from perfect in 2017, when the world is moving to bezel-less designs. When the OnePlus 5T is coming, and from the looks of it, the smartphone seems to be the perfect phone for 2017. Well, wondering how? Let me tell you. What's up guys, this is Rupesh from bbomb.com, and today I'm going to talk about the upcoming OnePlus flagship, the OnePlus 5T, and why it might be the perfect phone of the year. Before we get started, make sure to hit the bell icon to get notifications for all our future videos. Now that you've done that, let's talk about the OnePlus 5T. There are a lot of great phones out there, but each of them has at least one glaring flaw. The OnePlus 5 does not have a bezel-less display, the S8 does not have a dual camera, the Note 8 is too big, the iPhone 8 and Pixel 2 have huge bezels. The Pixel 2 XL has display issues. The iPhone 10, well, I'd say it has more than one flaw, but it comes at a price that's out of reach for many. Don't get me wrong, I'm not nitpicking, and these are some of the best phones out there. But with each one of them, you have to make some compromises, and this is where the OnePlus 5T interests me. The OnePlus 5T seems to have everything going for it. While the specs remain the same from the OnePlus 5, it brings in a major upgrade in the form of an almost bezel-less display. If the leaks are to be believed, the 5T will have a 6-inch Full HD Plus or QHD display with an 18:9 aspect ratio in an almost bezel-less design. Just like the Note 8, S8, Mix 2 or the Pixel 2 XL. Basically every 2017 flagship. It should be optic AMOLED, and thanks to the bezel-less design, the footprint of 5T should be the same as the 5, which again is a plus. The device does look good, doesn't it? Yes, this design does result in the fingerprint scanner going to the back, but I wouldn't say it's a deal breaker. Some prefer it on the front because it's more accessible in some situations, while some prefer it on the back because the index finger just naturally goes there when you hold the phone, as long as it's in the right place, unlike the S8. The 5T should be identical to the Oppo R11s, just like how the OnePlus 5 was identical to the Oppo R11. So here's how it should look. Not bad, right? There are other improvements too, like the larger 3450 mAh battery. I know it's not a massive upgrade from the 3300 mAh battery on the OnePlus 5, but hey, every mAh counts. Also, the dual camera setup on the back is also set to be getting bumped to dual 20 megapixel units. OnePlus founders Carl Pei and Pete Lau have shared a couple of photos which were apparently taken with the 5T. These samples suggest that the phone has a wider aperture camera, which falls in line with the rumored f1.6 aperture in the 5T camera. Plus, the specs of the OnePlus 5 remain solid for 2017. According to the rumor mill, the OnePlus 5T will share a lot of its specs with the OnePlus 5, and that's not really a bad thing. It's said to be coming with the Snapdragon 835, which is the best processor for Android phones out there, coupled with 6 or 8 gigs of RAM and 64 and 128 GB storage, just like the OnePlus 5. Plus, it should have the headphone jack. Yeah! The OnePlus 5T seems to be perfect, at least on paper. I know some would say there's no IP rating for water or dust resistance, but I think the OnePlus 5T will at least have an IP54 rating for splash resistance, which is good enough for most people out there. So let's see if the 5T manages to tick all the boxes required for a perfect phone in 2017. A bezel-less design? Check. A high-resolution AMOLED display? Check. The most powerful processor for Android phones? Check. The most RAM you can get in a phone right now? Check. A great dual camera? Check. A high-resolution selfie camera? Check. Decent battery life? Check. Great software? Check. I think I forgot something. Oh yes, the headphone jack? Check. All of that at a rumored price of around $550. When most flagships these days come at around $700, I'd say yes, the OnePlus 5T might very well be the perfect phone for 2017. The phone is set to be unveiling on November 16, and well, I cannot wait to try it out. That's what I think, but what about you? Will the OnePlus 5T turn out to be the perfect phone it seems to be? Tell us in the comment section below. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it and share it with your friends too. Also subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Well, that's me signing off. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.